In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make vertical videos using Descript. If you've ever wondered how to transform your horizontal content into an engaging vertical format, perfect for platforms like Instagram or TikTok, then you're in the right place. Follow along with these simple steps and you'll be creating stunning vertical videos in no time. To begin, you'll want to navigate to Descript's website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in descript.com. Once there, you'll be prompted to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one first. Assuming you already have an account, go ahead and click on Sign In at the top right corner of the page. Enter your login details to access the dashboard. Now that you're in Descript, let's move on. Look on the main page for the list of recent projects. If you have a project that you're looking to convert to a vertical format, simply select it. Otherwise, you can also start a new project to begin working from scratch. For this demonstration, let's assume you have an existing project to work with. Click on your project to open it. Once your project is open, direct your attention to the media preview area. This is where we'll focus our efforts to switch the aspect ratio. You'll find this section towards the center of your screen. Now, located in the upper left corner of this media preview area, there is a small drop-down menu titled Aspect Ratio. This menu allows you to switch between different video formats such as landscape, square, and of course the vertical format we'll be aiming for. Click on the Aspect Ratio menu to reveal your options. Select Portrait from the list. Choosing Portrait mode automatically adjusts your video to fit the vertical format. This is ideal for mobile-first platforms, allowing your content to be optimally presented on the smaller, vertically aligned screens of smartphones. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to convert a standard video into a vertical format using Descript. Remember, this process not only makes your video visually suitable for various devices, but also enhances its ability to engage viewers on social media, particularly those accessed primarily on mobile devices. Before wrapping up your project, ensure that everything looks as you expect and make any additional tweaks if necessary. Feel free to explore other features of Descript and experiment with different formats and styles to see how your content can shine best. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and happy creating!